Xiaomi has 3 new products coming to the USUU and, unfortunately, none of them are telephones. The Mi Wireless Charging Pad, Mi Home's security camera and Mi Robot Builder Rover were announced at a pop-up event on Friday in New York City. The 3 new products follow Xiaomi's tendency to offer an eclectic variety of smart home devices that include plugs, chargers and TV boxes, instead of taking their phones to the United States. The Mi Wireless Charging Platform supports Qi wireless charging and up to 10W output for fast charging. It works with most wireless charging smartphones and has protection against overheating and increased input. Then there is the Mi Robot Builder Rover, which allows you to assemble a 1086-piece robot, which you can then control through a mobile application. It has a 3-inch -1 design so you can build a mobile vehicle, a tank or an excavator, depending on your mood. Finally, the Mi Home's security camera has a 360-degree field of view, 1080p resolution and night vision with intelligent motion detection. It also offers a bidirectional audio system that allows you to use the camera to communicate with visitors. You can control the device through the Mi Home application.